Okay, Next Level Solutions coming at you live from Arlington. Got another hot call. Customer says we're not cooling, and I think I know why. So this is the condenser coil. That's 100% blocked. So I've recommended we break it down, do a thorough acid wash, water rinse. That way this thing can breathe. And then also I've diagnosed the capacitor is very, very weak. That's the dual run capacitor, keeps the fan running, keeps the compressor running, and it's very weak. Needs to be replaced as well. So once I get all this done, we'll come back to you. Okay, we've got the coil cleaner doing its job right now. On that side, this side, it's starting to dissipate down. As you can see, it foams quite nicely. Let's give it a rinse, see what she looks like. All right, there's your coils cleaned up nicely. Looks very good. It's running. No more dirt, cottonwood, grass built up. It's all gone. If you're having AC trouble, call Next Level Solutions. We'll take care of you. Get you cleaned up nicely, cool and comfortable. Here's that dirty coil job. So I did a video earlier showing the split. The incoming air to the coil. It's 95 degrees outside. Leaving, really hard to see that, 114. So that's almost 20 degrees temperature split. It's what you're looking for. The last video was like only 9 degrees. So there was no heat transfer going on there. That's just a reference of what it should look like. You want like 20 degrees, you're getting some heat transfer. The other coil, not so much.